That exercise is just training you to make contact and enter. So you're entering, and then with a slight outward turn, that opens up your ability to come through. So like this, yeah. So it's this technique you just saw on the dummy. You're coming forward in a triangulated Wing Chun guard style position, slightly opening up, reaching through. So what that looks like, once again, coming forward a little bit, please. In whatever position the guard might be, you're taking the inside gate with the triangulated formation, then reaching through simultaneously. So it can look like a bit like 1, 2 when you're practicing, but ultimately you just want it to be 1. So as you come through, you're opening and striking simultaneously. A good, easy beginner's Wing Chun exercise.